everyone, I'm Judy, your property host, and we're here in Versailles, Alabang. And right behind me is the ready for occupancy single detached house and lot, the Amelie model unit. So this has a lot area of 240 square meters and a floor area of 208 square meters. So this has 3 bedrooms, and you can see here it has four carports. Now let's check inside. So you will see here, it has its own garden and 4 carports that also has an access towards your service area. This model unit is ready for occupancy and it's fully furnished. Everything that you can see here is already included in your model unit. So this one is your living area. You can notice the high ceiling. And right here is the staircase and our powder room. Here's your powder room. Now, right across our living area, we have our dining and kitchen area. There you will see our lanai or our lanai. Here you will notice our fully installed kitchen cabinets and your kitchen island here. Here's your pantry, your storage. Now, here is your maid's room that has its own toilet and bath. And this door here leads you in your service area. This what I told you earlier. The gate here is the access towards your carports. Now this model unit has already installed with its own air condition unit. Now let's check the second floor. You'll see our staircase. It's made out of wood panels and the stainless steel grills. Now here, let's check the master's bedroom. Here in the master's bedroom, everything you see here is already included since it's fully furnished. And you have your own view from your balcony. Now let's check. Here is your walk-in closet. Very spacious. And here's the master's toilet and bath. Now let's check the other bedrooms for our Amelie model unit. Here on the hallway, you have another storage. Let's check our first cabinet, first bedroom. Here on your first bedroom, it has its own cabinets, air condition also, and every bedroom here has its own toilet and bath. Same goes with our second bedroom. There's your cabinet, and here behind your door is your toilet and bath. It's very spacious here. Now, so if you're interested in this property, You may message us in our Smart Viber and WhatsApp number 0919-996-3820. See you!